Do you want to speak English fluently and confidently? Would you like to become a public speaker? Is it your long cherished dream to speak English in a short time? If it is your long cherished dream to speak English in a short time, then I'm making this video is for you especially. Hello, my future fluent speaker. How are you all? I hope that you all are fit and fine. Today, I am also fit as a field. This is only speaking before you. As you know that I am a public speaker as well as I am an English content creator. So today, I'm gonna share with you a very important topic, which is how to practice your spoken English every single day. At the same time, I'm going to give you some tips and tricks, how to practice your spoken English. So don't delay, let's jump right in. If you'd like to become a public speaker in a short time, so firstly, try to practice your spoken English in every single day, even if it's just 5 minutes, even if it's just 10 minutes, just 30 minutes. It could be 1 hour, it could be 2 hours, but you have to practice every single day for gaining fluency. To gain fluency, to become a public speaker, but you are bound to practice every single day. On top of that, you have to speak English in front of a mirror. So how can you practice in front of a mirror? Okay, let me show you, then you will be able to understand how should you practice every single day. Okay, just you have to think this is a mirror, but it is not exactly mirror. Okay, just I'm making you understand right now. How can you practice every single day your spoken English in your day? How can you express your spoken English in front of a mirror? Just you have to think right now, this is a mirror or this is a camera, and you have to stand like this. Okay, you have to stand like this, and you have to think in English, this is a mirror and this is you. Sonu, it could be Abdullah, it could be Rohim, it could be Virat Kohli, Rohit Sharma, Mushfiqur Rahim, Shakib Al Hasan. It doesn't matter. Okay, just you have to think this is you and this is a mirror, and you have to talk with mirror like, hey mirror, how are you? I hope that you are fit and fine. Today I am also fit as a fiddle, and you have to say with mirror, hey mirror, I am not good at English. My English is not good. I am not good at speaking English. So I'm a beginner and I'm learning English. So actually I'm trying to speak English more and more. So that's why I'm standing in front of you. So please take it easy. Don't take it otherwise if I mistake something in my English. So you have to think like that, and you have to speak in front of a mirror like that. What you have done in your day, what you have done in the morning time, what you have done in the noon time, in the evening time. Which kind of things you have done, you have to just express in front of a mirror like, hey mirror, today I have gone somewhere and I have enjoyed with my friends. I have played cricket in the morning time. I have walked, and I have attended the class. Like that, you have to practice. Just practice, no problem. Okay. And one more interesting thing you have to do. You have to read more and more. It could be newspaper, it could be books, it could be anything, but you have to, try to read more and more any kind of book or newspaper. And besides that, you need to watch some movies in English or some podcast, or some English content videos, and try to listen the song. But you can follow on YouTube or Facebook Mufti. Mufti is a very good English speaker, and his English is really well. I love to listen of Mufti's video. So you have to do this kind of thing. So don't overcomplicate things. You are not good at English, but you have to think, yeah, I am very good at English. I'm a confident boy. I can do anything. Just you have to think like that. Okay, don't overcomplicate. Don't over think about mistakes. Okay, I know very well you know all the things, but you don't know how to speak English properly or in a public places. That's why I'm making this video. It is a slow process, so trust the process. We are human beings. We are designed to learn English, so don't overcomplicate things. Just you need to practice more and more. No problem. Okay, so don't give up yourself, don't be upset, just practice yourself and believe on you. Eventually you will improve your spoken English, eventually you will improve your pronunciation. So keep practicing, keep learning English, keep improving your pronunciation. Eventually you will success, eventually you will be able to speak English fluently and confidently in front of thousands of people easily. So that's all for this today's video. And if you found helpful for this video, so please do subscribe my channel and drop your comments on this comment box, as well as follow me on Facebook. Your support means everything. Your support keeps me going. So thanks for listening patiently, thanks for clicking this video, and have a great day.